Hey everybody, Wolf here, back here with the next snowmobile video here. So we're going to start working on getting the carburetors, both of them, removed and start the process of cleaning them. So the first step we got to do is get them off. So I've got the shop manual here, and it's got lots and lots of information on working through the system. So we got to go through the process of carburetor removal next. So that's all in section 3, fuel system. So this was a good purchase, under 12 bucks on eBay, shipped. I couldn't pass it up, so yep. That's the section we need, removing carburetors. So let's get to it, shall we? Step 1 in the manual says to make sure the fuel is turned off, and it was already turned off, but that's all you have to do to turn it on and turn it off on this machine, just a simple lever. So it's already closed, fuel line is turned off. I have the carburetors out. I'm probably also going to go through and replace all the fuel lines too, just to preemptively. I don't know if they're good or not, but I'll just replace them all. And probably replace the fuel filter too while I'm at it. Get that all changed out. This thing running as well as I can here. And it's easy to replace the fuel lines while the carburetors are out, so might as well do it then. Alright, so the next step I'm supposed to do is remove this little screw here, from both of them. I'm supposed to remove that little screw so I can get this cap off. So I gotta go find a small screwdriver that will fit in this tiny space here, so that's gonna be fun. I found this 90-degree screwdriver here. That's what I used to loosen the screws up. Luckily they weren't done very tight. The clip removed. So that step is done. Next step is I gotta unscrew this. Which of course I'm not going to be able to do it while filming, so see you in a moment. Using a very large pair of pliers I got this thing loose. So supposedly it should just unscrew and pop out. There we go. Alright, I don't want to lose any parts, so I got to put the camera down. Okay, we got that out. Not much to it. Actually, it doesn't look half bad in there. It doesn't look all that dirty at all. We'll see what happens when we get down into the float area, though. I'm going to finish removing this one first, then I'll finish taking that one out, because this one, to get this one out of the way, make it easy to reach that one. So I'm just going to focus on one at a time here, rather than trying to do them both at the same time. So I guess next I got to remove the choke cable somehow. Figure that one out. Choke cable's removed. Just had to unscrew it from this part. Had to get a pair of pliers down there and unscrew that. I also have to make sure I don't lose this. That's the washer for it. That goes down inside that. Well, that step is done. Alright, now it's time to disconnect the fuel hose. And it's on there tight, so be back. See, once we get that off of there. Got the fuel hose off. Found out the best trick was to grab it at the base here, while it's still on that point there. Twist it back and forth with the pliers while pulling up with my other hand. So that got that off. Well, the fuel line is now off. Alright, and it's also got a apparently it's got some sort of a safety switch in it. I'm not sure what it does, but I'm going to disconnect this cable from it next. So we'll get that off too. Alright, simple cable, pops right off. Make sure I connect it back up the right way when this thing's all back together again. Next step is apparently just to remove this. Loosen this clamp up, and the carburetor should pop off, I hope. See what happens. Be right back. Alright, I do highly recommend just removing these boots because they just get in the way. This obviously needs to be replaced anyway. It's quite broken. So, I think I'll be ordering up a new pair of these too while I'm at it. But yes, do remove these. And we have one snowmobile carburetor. I gotta do the same thing to the other one, get that one off too. It's a little dirty. Insides don't look too bad, at least in this part. I don't know what it looks like down in the lower oil level. This is the one that's been leaking. Oh, yep. It's full. Now there seems to be a big open space inside the snowmobile now. So I got the second carburetor out using the same steps I did the first one. I have them both over here, ready for their full cleaning process next, so that will be in the next snowmobile video. But for now, that's how we get them out, so make sure I don't lose any of these little parts here, especially these little washers and stuff. And I'll have to see what I can do to get a couple of new boots for these things here. Okay, so that'll be it for today's video. Hopefully somebody will find this information helpful, and we'll see. Hopefully soon we'll have this toy up and running. Hopefully very soon, actually. Again, if you find this information helpful and that, subscribe, comment. I'd love to hear what people think of it, and we'll go from there. Alright, talk to you later.